Teletubby Explosion War Battlefront Barbie Extreme Party Extravaganza Battle Royale 2. Hello, welcome to Teletubby Explosion War, which is basically your average Battle Royale game, but with Teletubbies and memes. We're so excited to start up the game, which is why we're starting it with a new update, which I like to call the Ransack Update. This update will come with an exclusive item called the Ransack Bag for only $2.99. You can use the Ransack Bag to drag any enemy teammate to wherever you want for 30 seconds. This is an example of what you can do with it. I just love living with my nice family. Give me all your money! Come on, follow me. Please, I have a family. I know. They're next. No! Reload. Join us next time as we discuss the Persian New Year update, or as I like to call it, the Nuke update. Only $100. Any takers?